Hey, today we'll be taking a look at my PurgEye 100 purge monitor, and it's not working. And if you take out the sensor, these sockets here are corroded away. This sensor has leaked and corroded the sockets. So if we check the resistance, there you can see it's in the mega ohms, and this one 0.2 of an ohm. And also I've discovered these sensor, if you take away this glue here and push it out, here's the sensor. And after doing a bit of research, this is the sensor here. Because these sensors from Huntington Fusion are about 300 Australian dollar in the shop, whereas this one is about 30 or 40 dollars on AliExpress. And I've checked, all the dimensions here are exactly the same. So if you just push the guts out of this one and get a new one from China, push it in there, it should work. So I found them on AliExpress, and they also come with these sockets here, which I'll be able to solder in, and hopefully it'll be back working again. I'll just have to wait 2 or 3 weeks for them to arrive, and we'll come back to it. Alright, it's 2 or 3 weeks later and my sensors have arrived from China. So let's open it up and see, is this going to work? Well, it looks identical. Might have to take this sticker off because it's very tight fit. By the way, if you're looking for these sensors, they're called O2A2. Just look them up on AliExpress. Take that off. Now, yep, perfect fit. Let's see, does it fit in here? Yep, that fits in perfect. Well, at least that saves $260 cheaper than buying the original. So that much works. Alright, next we have to... These pins also came with it. So take this apart and solder in the new pins. I'll have to recalibrate this just to confirm, make sure everything works correctly, but I'll do that when I get to work. Alright, let's take this apart. So we have keep all the screws together. pins. Do I need to take this off? Probably not. I might be able to desolder. Right, just put on some fresh solder. Right, there's one out. Let's put him there. There's the other one. Now let's clean up all this old better. Oh, you're joking. I'm out of it. Oh, that's hot. Right. Reasonably clean. Right, that's one pin in. Tight fit. There. Right. Let's try again. Let the solder go to the other side. Done. Yep. That's fitting in tight. Let's just clean up the flux. See, the UV mask is damaged, but I can always repair that after if I need to. Right, let's put it back together and see how it goes. What's that? Oops, she's not. Right, where is the new? This is the new sensor. Right. Well, I'm assuming it's working. I'll have to take it into work and calibrate it myself. But there we go. I just saved $200 and something by buying that from China. Yep, it's working perfect now.